It's been a long road to get to this point, but here we are, Crystal Pond, Woodstock, Connecticut.
Oh my God, that's right at it.
Yeah, it's been quite the day already. We made the agreement we were going to go to Wickham Park, which is about an hour, 15 minutes away from the house. And we're heading there. We're about halfway there. Check U-Disc. Recently updated. The park is closed because there's a cross-country.
Just our luck.
As if cross-country is more important than disc golf.
Couldn't be me.
So we just looked. Closest course was Crystal Pond. We've been here a couple times for one of the most legendary moments on the channel.
Oh, yeah.
Honestly.
If
the
you know,
Ace
you know.
Challenge a long time ago, last winter. And we've played it a couple other times, but mostly just the front nine. Today we're going to play the whole course, doing a scramble. Front nine, super easy. Back nine, super hard. Ooh. You suck.
Hey.
What? Go in.
You suck.
It's just parked.
You stink.
Let's fucking go, Jesse.
Let's go. That's a great start to the day, baby.
That's a huge start for the boys. The leaves out here, can't even see the disc anymore. We're probably going to lose one today. But hey, 1 under to start the day, never a bad thing. All right, second hole of the day. Little hyzer down to that blue flag over there, about 200 feet. We need another birdie.
Let's get it.
Really might. Really might.
Oh, Maronna mia.
Nice.
That was right over the basket.
I wouldn't go that far.
I would.
Skip in.
Another rolled?
What the freak? They don't suck.
Okay. I'll try.
Wow, look at you go. Well, you shouldn't have done that.
I was throwing it to the people.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I wasn't trying to make it. Why would I? Why would I do that?
2 undies. Through 2. Third hole of the day. We got 178 feet. Basket down there to that blue flag. Big ol' Annie, you are fucking hideous.
Yo, this is where the people drove by and stopped.
Yeah, and they saw me do what I do.
Oh, they saw you do what you did.
That's what I do.
That's what you did.
It blows.
Yo. Yeah, I do.
You have a disc in your hand, but it's not gonna work. What was that?
Would have been good.
What was that besides terrible?
That would have been good.
You think?
Yeah.
You think 500 feet left would have been good?
It was gonna Annie.
That's cute.
You suck.
You mean that?
Yeah.
Let me prove Jesse wrong.
The luckiest tree kick of all time.
Shut up. That was going to be perfect.
You did not mean to do that.
We still have a putt. Can you miss this one so I could maybe get a fucking putt today?
All right. I'll try. You're welcome.
Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome, dude. Brave spirit.
That's why I needed a putt.
Finally, you made something.
Shut up. 300 through 3. All right, fourth hole, about 160 feet uphill. You got to miss all this bullshit, you know, it's disc golf, and park it.
Easy.
Decent.
We're putting.
Decent at best.
I'd say beautiful.
I mean, you missed those putts.
Nah. Not me.
That is good.
That's pretty freaking terrible.
We'll see who's closer. All right, over here at my disc.
Yeah, Josh's was way better than mine.
Wow, you finally did something.
Hey. You didn't.
4 under through 4 holes. Hole number 5. Got a bunch of gaps. None of them are great. Basket is off to the left a little bit. Stay on a birdie train.
Big highs. I see it. This is kind of impossible.
No, not for me.
Oh, yeah?
For you, probably. But
Nah, not for me. I'm good.
you're decent.
I'm like pro level.
Prove it.
All right. Maybe I'll take the sneaky gap then.
That's what I'm doing.
All right.
You're not built like me, though, so I wouldn't even try it.
Just thinking, what disc would I use? My other zone.
Brutal.
Was gonna be really good, but
Yeah, if you hit the gap. But
I mean,
guess
I
what?
did
You
hit the
didn't.
gap. It just hit an unlucky branch because that's disc
unlucky
golf.
branch. You mean
That
the-
ain't me. That ain't
the
me.
branch that's obviously in the way that you have to miss?
No, that wasn't me, honestly.
See,
Yeah, I
that's-
mean, maybe you could hit the gap.
that's what you're supposed to do.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. My bad.
All right, not ideal.
I mean, it couldn't really get much easier.
Yeah, please talk while you're making a bunch of fucking noise with your feet. So all they hear is. Just do what you do and miss, and then I'll step up there and do what I do and miss. Decent.
Oh, yeah,
Cállate la boca.
Oh, shit. All right, just hurry up because we all know you're going to miss.
I mean, yeah, obviously. You put us in a terrible position.
I put us so close. I almost made it. Oh,
right.
Lord, Jesse
If I
made
make this,
another one.
you can't appear on the channel for the next year and a half.
I hope you make it.
Time to lock in. If there's ever a putt I needed to make, it's this one because I
Yeah,
fucking hate this.
actually, though.
Way better than yours.
I'd give you 2 more tries if you want them.
All right. I'll even make it with your putter.
All right, all right.
I fucking hate this kid.
Yeah, me too. I hate myself. I mean, pretty terrible.
I got it.
Oh,
Lucky
Maron.
son of Hello?
Hello, anyone home?
Bro, nobody wants to talk to you.
Why not?
There are people in there, they just don't fuck with you.
Why?
Look at
Why
you.
don't you like me?
Nice
You like
shirt.
my shirt?
It's a really nice shirt.
Thank you. I know you. I know you like it.
All right, hole 6. It's 180 feet. Basket is way to the left over there. Need a big hyzer.
Hey, Crystal. Wouldn't hate a couple brooms, yurt.
Decent.
I'd say pretty
No,
beautiful.
That's actually really good.
Thank you.
Decent shot. More height would have been nice, but
Yeah, I mean, I think it was perfect.
it wasn't. It was decent.
I'm perfect.
That's perfect.
Nah,
Yeah.
nah.
You're welcome.
I'd say it's pretty bad. Look,
Yeah,
dude, you
right,
suck.
buddy. Look at how much better
You
mine was
suck.
than
Look
yours.
how much better mine is.
Butchie almost made his first birdie from here, and then he choked a putt.
Yeah, because he fucking sucks.
Hey, be nice to Butch. Make the
Sorry.
putt. Make the putt.
I love you, Butchie.
Make the freaking putt. Nope. Don't touch my disc ever again, buddy.
The T-flip.
Yeah. Let's freaking go, man. 500 through C's. All right, hole 7, 233 feet. Basket off to the left over there. We cruising right now, but the back 9 gets a whole lot harder.
Let's
So,
see what we can do yet.
Let's keep it up. You don't have this shot in the bag.
I do, though.
Prove it.
I don't have it, actually, I don't have it in the bag. I have it in my hand.
Yeah, right.
Because it's not about the disc, it's about the player.
And this one just happens to fucking suck. Decent.
I mean,
We have like a 50-footer, which is pretty bad.
Imagine wearing bandana shorts. Couldn't be me.
And a blue shirt.
Couldn't be me.
I'm so good at this.
That was one of the worst disc golf shots I've ever seen in my entire life. You should just quit, honestly.
I mean, have a day.
Decent at best.
You're so mad that you could never do that in a million years. He's gonna miss. Wow.
Woo!
Dude, I appreciate you tapping in all my tap-in birdies today, bro. Thank you so much. People want a performance. Get up on stage.
It's scary.
Sing something nice.
You're hot and you're cold, you're yes then you're no, you're in then you're out, you're up then you're down. You're wrong then it's right, you're black then it's white.
Whoa, whoa.
Pretty effective.
All right, 8th hole of the day. We're 6 under through 7, cruising, and the next hole is the legendary ace hole. This one, 230 feet downhill, basket a little off to the left. Jesse's gonna do what he does, suck, and I'll do what I do and save the day.
Opposite.
It's actually really good. Ooh, that one went over the basket.
That one was not that bad.
That might go in.
Terrible form.
Oh.
Wow.
All right, some pretty good shots. Wow, nice shot, man.
Thanks.
Go ahead and tap it in.
Do you want to come tap it in for me like you were saying over there?
I mean, no, because you finally did something today, so you could do it. Let's freaking grow. 7 under through 8 holes. Here we are.
Back for another ace.
We're definitely gonna have to come back in nice weather so I could get another ace.
Oh my God!
You gotta be kidding me! Skipped it right in there in the snow. If you know, you freaking know. Let's do it again. Might have done it. Oh my God. Almost recreated it. That's kind of how I did it.
Ooh. That actually almost went in, folks. But I mean, that was bad.
Hey.
I mean, I would chirp, but I really don't have anything to say. That was just,
How does that happen, man?
I really don't know what even, like, I got no words.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I mean, I'm sorry. I genuinely am sorry. That was bullshit.
My heart hurts. All right, man, I'm going to be honest. We've been on the same team, but we ain't been on the same team,
Yeah.
if you know what I mean. This back nine about to get a whole lot harder, so we need to start supporting each other, all right?
Sounds good, man.
Like, you still fucking suck, but, like, let's
hey,
go.
fuck you, too.
Someone please let us know what this is. We're not really sure, but I'm just going to go in the bleachers, and it's time for another concert. Let's go, Tilly.
Woo! Make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. Let's run away and don't ever turn back. Don't ever turn back. My heart stops when you look at me. Just one touch and baby, I believe.
This is so beautiful. You gotta walk across this to get to the back nine, and the difficulty increases by about 1 trillion. But I mean, wow.
Want to go for a swim?
Those guys are vibing over there. Hole number 10 finally made it to the back nine. That's a hike from that other hole, but basket's way up there. This is already much further than any hole on the front. We got 270 feet uphill.
I'm scared.
Oh, that's really good. No!
Oh my God. Dead and unalive. Dead and unattached.
The jump putt guy.
Oh!
Good run.
I need to get on the juice.
No.
We're in for par.
Yeah, hey, we'll take it.
Not bad.
I mean, we went 8 under through the front nine, and I mean, the back obviously is way harder. If we could steal another couple birdies, walk away like 12, 13 under, it'd be a phenomenal.
Would not complain.
Woo, very good, very nice. All right, 11th hole, 305 feet. And wowzers. Basket's a little off to the left. Don't get easier out here, man.
Hit the right one.
Right one works too, though.
Didn't really, though.
Oh, God, get lucky.
I think it did.
Got pretty lucky.
Big skip. It's far down the hill.
Far down the hill. Probably don't have a birdie putt, but we got to look at the basket at least. There are just so many trees to miss. Even if you hit the line, it's just tough to get down to this basket.
Should I try to make it?
Yeah, 100%. Oh,
Uh-oh.
good run. Now we're fine. We make those.
Beautiful.
Not too shabby. Got like a nice little 10-foot tap there. In for the par. Hole 12. I mean, come on. Like, what is this?
What the fuck?
First time me and Fluffy came here, I birdied this. I threw a forehand, made like a 50-foot putt.
Damn.
So let's do it again.
Damn.
That's actually really good, Jesse. We got a chance from there.
It's up there.
It's gonna be a bomb, but
That's like the best I could have done.
yeah, it's tough to do much better.
Miss.
I mean, phenomenal cart golf.
Yeah. I mean, we got two good looks.
Pretty similar shots.
Should be all right.
We should have a chance. Phenomenal cart golf.
I mean, we're right next to each other.
Basket's right there. We got an easy par, but we do have an opportunity to make a birdie.
Let's do it. Didn't really give it a chance.
Too high. Gosh darn it, Josh. Make it rain. Hey, we're supposed to be being nice on the back.
Oh yeah, I'm
Put
sorry.
it back in. Dick. Dinks. It's really good. That might be perfect.
I love it.
I mean, we need it. There
We
ain't
do.
no other way around it. Yo, I said we need it.
I'm sorry. Yo, we need it.
Oh, really?
Ain't no other way around it.
Oh, shit. All right.
Yo, I said we needed it.
Oh, my bad. Very nice. Oh, wow.
Too long.
Nice shot.
Thank you.
Uh-oh.
Miss.
Oh. Oh. Wow.
Yep.
I'd rather be
We'll
lucky
take
than good. Yeah. Just chatting up with a couple really nice guys at the tee box.
Shout out them.
They let us go past them. They were super chill. Shout out those guys.
Oh
Nice.
my God. That hurts the heart, honestly.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not going to say we need this one, but like...
We need it. No pressure.
Shout out Treesus.
And Jesus, let's go.
All right, get this to the 9-piece through 14 holes. That was a big freaking birdie, man. Hey,
Hey,
you gave me the wrong one.
let's switch.
Okay. Hole 15, we got 223 feet. Basket's off to the right, and we got this tree in the way. It's
Not
gonna
a great shot.
It's gonna be tough.
Miss.
Get through.
Oh.
Ruh-roh.
Do what you do, man.
All right, I think I'm just gonna backhand a rainmaker.
All right.
Flip it a little bit, nice and low. Oh my! We gotta work for this one. Don't be a doozy. Oh no! Oh no! We might be in Bogeyville.
Sitting right here. The basket's over there. About a million trees in front of us.
Yeah, there's nothing, huh?
The glitch goblin. We're making that putt.
Come on, Keith. Do it. Jesse, that is so big.
We really needed it. I said we're making it, so I had to make it.
That is so
I'm a glitch putter. No, I'm not.
I mean, I can't even really explain how big that is because I don't know if there's any more birdie holes left, but we need one more birdie. Bogey would have put us
In the
in a real
gutter.
bad position. That's just so big. All right, hole 16, furthest hole of the day, 375 feet, real tight gap. Dead straight, it says. Whoa. That was Fluff's fault. Honestly.
Yeah, fuck Fluff. I'm just kidding, buddy. I love you.
Wow, I really like it. Holy shit.
Let's go.
It doesn't get more
No.
dead straight than that shot was.
That was perfect.
And the sign says it's dead straight. So we'll see.
Let's go.
This is just insane. Like, this is way up here and the gap is just non-existent. And it's a bomb with a tiny, tiny gap.
But you hit it.
Hey. Holy shit.
What, Joshua?
Let's go,
Are
boys.
you dead ass? I'm about to putt with my insanity.
Do it. That's a fucking...
That's insane. You should like retire now.
Okay. See you guys. Peace. 375
Holy
feet,
shit,
tight
Josh.
gap through the woods, low ceiling. That never got higher than like 3 feet off the ground either.
No, it didn't hit anything. It just came down. Probably had the perfect little flex around all these trees and sat right next to the basket. Like,
Hey, and that's 10 under.
leave on top.
All right, hole 17. We are at our goal, but we're also at a bogey hole. This is not looking friendly. Par 3, basket way off to the right. Tiny, tiny gap.
That was insane. No pun intended.
Turn, bitch, turn, bitch.
Oh no.
I mean, we could probably par from there. It's going to take a good upshot, but
Save me
I got you, man.
before I fall.
I don't even know what to do. Like,
Just throw some plastic and hope for the best.
yeah, it's a good plan.
I love it. I love it.
All right, that was pretty much just dead straight, but it should be an easy par, which is all we need.
Let's go.
All right, over here, we do have a little opportunity, but hey, we're already at the goal at 10 under.
We'll freaking
I mean,
take
we might
it.
as well run it, but can't get too greedy, you know? Oh,
Are you
the little
kidding me?
branch. Are you kidding me? That's actually, it's crazy how much that affected the disc.
That was gonna go in.
It kind of looked like it. I might take the little tiny gap, go dead straight at it. Because I don't give a fuck.
Watch your profanity. Oh, great bid.
All right, last hole of the day, hole 18. And this one makes like the least amount of sense out of any hole here.
Any hole ever.
Yeah. It's going to be a doozy. We just need a putt.
Through that gap, throw it like right at that tree.
Yeah.
Hopefully,
Probably our only chance.
hopefully it just misses.
Get
Miss.
through. Yeah. All right,
All right.
that should be a par.
Got a little bad kick at the end, but
If it missed that first branch, it was going to be par.
yeah,
Just for funsies, I might try just the big turnover gap.
I like it.
It's an impossible shot, but
I mean, I hate it, but I like it.
I hate it. And that's why. That's why I hate it. That worked about 0%.
Yeah, we're going over there.
0% that worked. All right, you guys probably aren't going to believe me,
No one's gonna believe you.
but I went over to my disc, probably had like 150 feet-ish to the basket, maybe a little more. Just a little hyzer. I kept my bag on, picked up the disc. I said, oh, this was going to be a par anyways. I'll even prove it to my haters. Throw it. Hits the very top of the basket.
Yeah,
It was that far away from going in.
I almost freaked the fuck out.
And it was off camera, which would have sucked. But so we're technically in for par already, but it was off camera. Now we're
Yeah.
at this one, which is a worse look at the basket. We got to make something happen. Very nice.
Ooh. Not bad.
All I can do is try and make it.
Put it in, brother.
Good height.
Good height. And
All
we're
right.
in for par. We made our goal.
In for the Posky. We'll go clean it up and be donezo with this video. We got Jesse Green on the mound. He takes a sign from the catcher, shakes him off. No. Okay, he agrees on that pitch. He sets and delivers. Strike 3, the batter is out. Oh my God, and he's charging the mound. That was a phenomenal day. We wish we were at Wickham.
A lot of fun, though.
Hey, everything happens for a reason.
Hey.
Jesse, great job today. It
You
was
too,
real
brother.
tough meeting our goal, honestly. We went 8 under through the front 9 out here.
Had to make something magic happen in the back.
For real. I mean, there was some huge putts out of both of us, huge throws out of both of us. Front 9, a whole lot of chirping. Back
yeah.
9, we had to change our tune. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll be back in the next one. Peace.